Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going out to Johnstown, Ohio, to a guy that's going to swap out this wind blocker 3000 and put it in that little Mitsubishi sitting back there. It's got the busted windshield. So yeah, stick with us. We're going to do this. Like I said, it's going to be a shorter video and kind of show the process that he goes through on popping that old windshield out and putting the replacement back in it. Alright, stay tuned. We'll be right back. Alright.
Yeah, this thing wouldn't leave. He'd have this top. Yeah.
This thing wouldn't leave you.
Top? Yep. Top first.
Back on. It just slips on. Oh, it's easy in there, yeah. Alright guys, that's it. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. We got a brand new windshield put in this U62 Mitsubishi. Doesn't she look good with it? Looks good, it's not busted like the old one. This is a glue-in windshield. Look at there, it's even got tint across the top. And this windshield is DOT glass. DOT safety glass. So, just like OEM, looks great. We had to make a custom trim for the windshield, so it's not perfect, but this isn't what seals the windshield. That's just a cosmetic trim. Like I said, it is glued in. Anyway guys, that's it. We're going to hit the road, head back to the house, and I think we're going to do some more work on that Suzuki today. We'll catch you later. You guys be blessed, and we'll see you.